Today we are learn about how to conversation to a stranger person. In this story you will learn how to talk to a person on your first day of college. In this story have two character. One is Ria, a new student first day at college, and second is Neha. She is a second year student. Story start with college campus near the main building. Ria is looking around nervously. Holding her schedule, Neha walks by and notices her.
Hey, you look a little lost. Need any help?
Looking relieved. Oh, yes please. It's my first day here. I'm not sure where the English department is.
Ah, first day jitters. Don't worry. I'm Neha, second year in the English department. You are in the right place. I'll walk you there.
Thanks so much. I'm Ria. I just joined the BA English program.
Nice to meet you, Ria. So, how's your first impression of the college?
It's big and a little overwhelming, but everyone seems nice. I'm just nervous about making new friends.
Totally normal. I felt the same last year. Trust me, after the first week, you'll feel right at home. Have you met any of your classmates yet?
Not really. I came in early and didn't know where to go.
That's okay. Once classes start, you'll meet plenty of people. Our batch is quite friendly. And there's a WhatsApp group. I'll add you.
That would be great. Thanks again.
They walk together toward the English department.
So, where are you from?
I'm from Dehradun. Moved here just last week.
Wow, that's a lovely city. I'm local, from right here in Delhi. But I bet moving must have been a big change for you?
Yeah, a little scary but also exciting. I wanted to explore something new.
That's the spirit. And don't worry, you'll love college life. We have literature fests, debate clubs, writing workshops. You'll find your zone.
Oh, I love reading and writing poetry.
Perfect. There's a poetry circle that meets every Friday after class. You should join. I'll take you.
That sounds amazing. I was so worried about fitting in, but you're making it sound so fun.
They reach the classroom door.
And here's your classroom. You're just in time.
Thank you so much, Neha. You've really helped me feel better.
Anytime. We all need someone on day one, right? I'll see you around. And don't forget about the poetry circle.
I won't. See you soon.